Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thank you so much for joining me here. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Quick look here at again, FTM once more. Want to double check to see if it's still sustainable to consider keeping our long position open. What we took roughly 31% in 20 hours from this coin. Get a nice little ICP short there, 43% to offset our stop loss for Solana. So the simple way to understand it is the market is kind of all sorts of nonsense. But the cool thing is the way the FTM is behaving leads me to believe it's going to probably be able to sustain itself and continue to do rather well. Okay, because again, it's performing, in a slightly descending type of trend. Again, this is just a crude illustration. We can see that the price action is still looking very good in the overall sense, and it did not retrace super significant when Bitcoin pulled back to like low 67K range. So again, all that nonsense from Bitcoin hit the big old reset button, tons of liquidation levels, and now FTM just kind of maintaining itself. This is a really good sign. So either way, if you're new to the channel, welcome aboard. Hope you can learn something today. Comment below, like, subscribe, follow. Deeply appreciate your support and help with that. Let's take a quick look at FTM, and a quick heads up if you want to be part of my Trade Signals Academy community, jump on over. CryptoCash.tech is a site. We got a few slots left available for the month, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Don't hesitate. We got an awesome community though. At the very least, jump on over to our Discord or Twitter, and stay abreast and kind of make sure that you stay informed. Essentially, that's the whole concept of this, right? Is to make educated and informed decisions and to be the best trader you can be. So take a look at FTM. Tons of liquidation at 105. That's exactly right there at that upper level there. I think we have our third profit target right at 105. That's a Fibonacci retracement level from previous, and we can see a large concentration there. So a lot more liquidation to the upside than the downside. For some reason, these people are not learning. Look at this here. Tons of liquidation just keeps getting swept to the upside. In other words, shorts keep getting destroyed. I don't know why people want to try to short a coin like this that's showing such strength. It makes no sense to me, but again, to each their own. I have longed the top before and shorted the bottom. It totally happens. And again, this month is probably the the most unique month we've had in a while. I mean, we're still highly profitable month in, month out, but this month honestly triggered a lot more stops or a lot more early closes of trades than I'd like to admit, because honestly, the market is fairly volatile. I mean, look at this garbage here. Instant like temperature check. Look at that. This is what was it? Oh, it's you want here? We could probably find it here. There we go. $1.94 billion in liquidation, selling activity that led to liquidation in 10 minutes. That's when CPI data opened or was released, and just all sorts of chaos in the market. Either way, okay, so we're not here for that. Just want to kind of throw it out there so you know that is a relevant thing that factors in a little bit. And we take a look at the daily here. Let's work our way down, and we can confirm still bullish on this coin. We're above the 20-day SMA, ascending positively on this trend line. We do have some volume above us though, keep in mind. 107 is a pretty heavy concentration of volume if you exclude the most recent lowest point at 80 cents, okay? So again, that's a larger macro perspective, but still very helpful. Hourly time frame, we'll look at that next. But on the daily, we can see RSI and stochastic swinging up. Money flow index is up, and we can see potential conversions of MACD. So all positive, extremely good things here for this coin. So definitely looking good in the overall sense. FTM's macro is fantastic. Half the reason why we had such confirming factors leading into that trade that we took. We look at the 4 hour, same scenario here too. On the 4 hour, we're over 50, below 70 in the RSI. Money flow index is pulling back, but that's pretty standard when it's overextended like that. You can only maintain above 70 for so long. We can also see, of course, here as well on the stochastic, it is swinging down, but the price action hasn't pulled back yet. We can see a pretty solid amount of candlestick closures here on the 4 hour, looking really good, and volume is still very high. Okay, so again, high volume, high money flow index, price action is going to sustain itself. We do have a MACD divergence on the horizon, but it could very well work out to an MACD FU where the price action bounces off that level. So again, generally speaking, that's kind of what we're looking at there. The hourly time frame, we can confirm as well that we are above the cloud and traveling well. I mean, this is not an ideal, perfect situation to take a long. Keep in mind, we do have lagging span intersecting with the price action and the conversion line below the baseline, letting us know that we have some bearish type of divergences on the hourly, but we're still over the cloud at the end of the day. So in a perfect world, we close 96 cents or higher today to be able to maintain this trend. And ideally, the price action closes here more so at like $1 even or higher to give us confirming factors for a long position. Okay? Or just to leave our long position open because we already have one. I think we got in about 92 cents right here before the price broke out. Okay, so again, cool stuff. FTM's looking good, folks. There's really no reason to want to consider selling. Just know that if you're in profit, you may want to consider adjusting your stop loss higher. That's what we do. If we take a profit, we always move our stop loss up as the profit targets are achieved. Okay, so that's always a good way to go, just to secure profits, to ensure that you're not shortchanging yourself. Okay. All right, hope that was beneficial. You can trade FTM on the world's best exchange, Bitunix, link down below. Check these guys out. Nice benefit rewards. I'm always looking for exchanges that have no KYC or VPN for my community members. I'm working with a couple of other exchanges right now to get some good little benefits going for us. But generally speaking, this is the best exchange possible at this point. They've been very good to us as a community, and I can just say that they are awesome. So nice rewards. Use my link to register. Check them out. Hope you have a good rest of the day. Thanks again for your time. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.